Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.